Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my top 5 favorite websites to learn cybersecurity for free. As we all know, cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important in today's digital world, and it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques to protect ourselves and our online assets. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 5 on our list is CyberTalent. CyberTalent is a website where you can learn cybersecurity through challenges and competitions. They have both free and paid plans, which gives you access to different resources. CyberTalent is great for those who want to test their skills and compete against others. You can visit their website on the link provided in this video. At number 4 on our list is Coursera. Coursera is a website where you can access a range of free cybersecurity courses. They have a wide variety of courses available, covering various topics related to cybersecurity. Coursera is great for those who prefer a more structured approach to learning cybersecurity. You can visit their website on the link provided on your screen. At number 3 on our list is Hack the Box. Hack the Box is another website where you can learn cybersecurity through labs and challenges. They have a free plan as well as a paid plan, which gives you access to more features. Hack the Box is great for those who already have some knowledge of cybersecurity and want to take their skills to the next level. You can visit their website on the link provided on your screen. At number 2 on our list is Cybery. Cybery is a website where you can learn cybersecurity through online courses, labs, and assessments. They have a free plan as well as a paid plan, which gives you access to more resources. Cybery is great for those who want a comprehensive and interactive approach to learning cybersecurity. And finally, number 1 on our list is TryHackMe. TryHackMe is a website where you can learn cybersecurity through interactive labs and challenges. They have a free plan as well as a premium plan, which gives you access to even more resources. TryHackMe is great for beginners who want to learn the basics of cybersecurity and for experts who want to stay up to date with the latest techniques and tools. You can visit their website on the link provided on your screen. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 websites to learn cybersecurity for free. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, these websites have something to offer for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.